Hello everyone, I hope you're having a good afternoon. I just thought I'd drop this quick video in just to explain how I'm doing things slightly different. This channel, it will be exactly the same. You will still get your YouTube videos in with the link and etc. because they are a public YouTube, so it's easy accessible through this channel or through the YouTube channel. But for my closed group, Projectlife debsway group, and I'll put the link in below in the comments of this video, I will be doing things slightly differently. You will still get your process video as you've always done, but you will be getting a few extras. I will actually do all the cutting of the papers and everything else in real time so that you can actually cut along your papers with me and then put them all in their piles for the cards so that when you do your process video, all your papers are pre-cut to the right size and then you can make your cards. I'll also too, where I do stamping or anything else like that, or put extras in that you cannot get,